These are American Marans. Their blood is black, their bones are black, their organs are black, their meats are black. Everything about them is black, except their egg that's off-white. American Marans, where you at, player? What's good, everybody? Been working on our front porch, just been to let the birds out. Show you how little progress we got. We made these doors, put one on both sides. And now I gotta clean the porch today. So the real screen's gotta finish the bottom. I think we're gonna cut them bushes out. What y'all think? Hey, get in the run. Time to let our chickens go. God bless you. If you got our piece of pasta. Get out there and live your dreams, man. Do what makes you happy. Because at the end of the day, ain't that all that matters? No, stick. God bless you now. Hey, get out of here. Daddy. You're beautiful. Oh, don't joke on a player. Alright. Now, did you stop? Tallest chicken in the world right here. It is just a big boy. He got both his hairs together to make it look like these ain't wings, like these ain't antennas. How's he holding on, player? We got some broody chickens that don't ever go and eat with the rest. 9 miles or 2 so I gotta take care of these. Laid by the father for the son. This is called Gigantica, picking the pears straight off the tree. This guy said you don't need them to be ready, they just need to be reachable. Okay. We doing big things. Ain't that right, gobble gobble? Gobble gobble! Gobble gobble! Gobble gobble! I like ya. Hey! What's up, players? What's up, pimps? This is Rustic. This is the place to be. With my big old MSU, bully, baby. We doing big things. Ain't that right, gobble gobble? Gobble gobble! Gobble gobble! Gobble gobble! I like ya. Hey! Get out of here! Is that my breakfast maker? Hey! I ain't bothering you. My snowflakes? What's up, snowflakers? Where my snowflakes at? Players. What the hell you talking about, Willis? Gandhi out there. Gobble gobble!
And you're singing the song, thinking this is the life. And you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing the song, thinking this is the life. And you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna
Hopefully it turns out good. Morning, beautiful world. This is Rustic, and this is the place to be. Haven's wonderful homestead. I'm fixing to free these guys. I gotta get my camera out of the sun. And I'm gonna free these guys at y'all's pleasure.